Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Mary.
And we are the Old Trippers. We are on a quest to visit the iconic landmarks and hidden historical gems that can be found across this great country. Join us as we travel the highways, byways, and back roads from coast to coast, meeting interesting people and having new adventures.
Today is the first day of spring, Tuesday the 21st, and we are in snow. We are headed to Albuquerque. We're going through Flagstaff. We gotta make it past Flagstaff.
Ain't in Flagstaff yet.
No, we ain't there yet. We gotta get past
100 miles
there.
shy of Flagstaff.
Yes, but we are in snow. We didn't want to be in any snow.
That's why we're going this far south. We've
Yeah.
already pushed further south on our route twice.
Yeah, we
Still
were.
can't get out of the snow.
Right. We were going to go to Durango today, but they were expecting 14 inches of snow. And we thought, no, better not take that chance, or better not do that. So we better play it safe and go further south, which we have, but as you can see, it's snowing here too. And it's 99 more miles to Flagstaff. We got to get past Flagstaff. So, I mean, it's beautiful, but don't want it on the roads. The mountains are over there and they're just covered. It's snowing so hard. Well, wish us luck. Okay, so the snow's getting heavier, and it's
Not even to Flagstaff
we're
yet.
not even to Flagstaff yet, and the snow is flying. It already looks like a couple of inches on the ground.
But actually, the road's not all that bad.
The road isn't all that bad right now. Oh, there's another truck wreck up here, looks like. We just passed a jackknifed truck. Yep, another jackknifed truck.
Somebody's not getting their Amazon delivery on time.
No. These semis try to take these exits, and when they try to take the exit, they jackknife. So we got to make it past Flagstaff and into Albuquerque, where none of this is going on. They've got a little bit of rain, but it's supposed to completely stop raining there by 2 o'clock. So we can just make it past Flagstaff. It's looking ugly. And it's 37 more miles to Flagstaff. Just wish us luck.